of the candy makers. With high precision and performance, the cake packaging machine helps ensure that each cake is packaged firmly and beautifully, gradually becoming a work of art. Equipped with quality parts and flexible structure, the flour extruder CP502 is not only an industrial equipment but also a talented artist in the cookie production process. This equipment ensures that the cookies produced are uniform in shape and size, and every small detail is meticulously cared for. With the Red Velvet Cake Maker, creating great cakes is no longer difficult. With a beautiful shape but also with a rich sweet flavor, conquering all taste buds and pleasing those who enjoy each bite. The perfect blend of sugar, fruit juice, and gelatin creates soft, gentle, marshmallows that melt in your mouth every time you enjoy them. With production through modern lines and strict processes, each coming created ensures quality, safety, and unique flavor. Each soft cookie created from this line not only brings you delicious flavor and characteristic softness, but is also a work of art with attractive shapes and colors. The variety of designs and sizes of cheese drawers allows you to organize different types of cheese with ease. From hard cheese to soft cheese and processed cheeses, spices, at the same time, displaying cheese on a tray also creates an interesting and attractive space, making it difficult for people to resist the visual and taste stimulation. With a large cheese tray, serving and enjoying cheese is simpler and easier than ever. Look at the big pizza. You not only feel the appeal of its physical beauty, but also the great taste it brings. With a thin soft crust, covered with a layer of rich golden tomato sauce, the pizza is truly a work of culinary art. Looking at the round ravioli, you can't help but be amazed at the meticulousness and sophistication in the making. Each noodle ball is meticulously handcrafted from thin and smooth layers of bread, then stuffed with a mixture of fresh ingredients. When enjoying, you will experience the unique deliciousness of the rich flavors, and you will not be able to resist the appeal of these soft and rich noodles. The flexibility and variety of the robot allows you to choose burritos with many different ingredients and flavors, from beef, chicken, soy to vegetables and sauces. This customization capability helps meet diverse customer needs and deliver a rich culinary experience. Various colored cakes not only create flavor experience. This is not only a production process but also a journey to discover the richness of cuisine. When you look at the cucumber production line, you will witness an extremely sophisticated and technical production process. From selecting fresh cucumbers to processing and packaging, every step is done with care and precision. Thanks to modern technology and strictly controlled production processes, each cucumber is carefully cared for and handled, keeping product quality at high standards. The green color of bell peppers is not only a symbol of freshness and vitality but also an endless source of inspiration for artists and food manufacturers. Seeing the line of green bell peppers moving on the chain, you will feel a cool green space filled with vitality, bringing excitement and a pleasant feeling of relaxation. Not only a part of the production process, the green color of bell peppers is also a part of everyday life, a source of inspiration for those who love cooking and creativity. When you lay your eyes on the colorful line of tomatoes on the line, you not only feel the diversity and richness of the plant world but also encounter a feeling of joy and freshness like carefree children playing in the sunlight. Each tomato has a unique color range from bright red to warm earthy orange, shiny yellow of dawn, or even bright green like the color of the spring sky. Do you like the taste of butter? Their flavor is not only a perfect combination of rich aroma and smooth creaminess but also a delicate journey that takes our taste buds to sublime experiences. When you touch a soft piece of butter, its natural aroma begins to make your taste buds look forward to it. When you touch the avocado on your lips, you will feel its fullness, softness, and smoothness. And when you swallow the avocado, the rich flavor and smooth creaminess will fill your entire mouth, leaving a feeling of relaxation and satisfaction.